Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change contrast level on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So first of all you'll need to press the home button on your Pilot, is right here. And now to navigate this menu or any other, you will need to press the arrows in the middle of your Pilot. So let's navigate app and press OK on our settings. Now scroll to the right and find System. Press OK to enter it, and from here move with the left arrow to the picture. From here press OK and scroll down. Now you'll be able to change the contrast by pressing the arrow pointing to the left and then confirming to this message. Now just put it at any level you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.